Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about something really exciting. How colors in your home affect how you feel. Have you ever walked into a room and felt calm right away? Or maybe you felt energized? That's the power of color. I'm going to show you how to use color to create the exact feeling you want in each room of your home. This isn't just about making things look pretty, it's about making your home work for your emotions and well-being. Colors do more than just look nice. They actually change how we feel and act. This happens because colors can remind us of things in nature, for example, like blue or green, or change our energy levels, affect our mood, make rooms feel bigger or smaller, make us feel warmer or cooler. Our brain reacts to color without us even knowing it. For example, red can make your heart beat a little faster, while blue can slow things down and help you relax. Let me share with you a quick story. I had a client who couldn't sleep well for years. Her bedroom was painted a bright yellow because she thought it's a happy color. When we repainted it to a soft blue gray, she started sleeping better the very first week. The yellow was keeping her brain too active at night. So let's go through the main rooms in a home and talk about the best color for each one. Living room. Living rooms are for socializing and relaxing. So colors that work well here are green because it brings balance and harmony, blue creates calm and peace, or warm neutrals like beige and cream because it makes people feel welcome. Avoid using too much red and orange in living room unless you want high energy and lots of talking. In kitchen, colors that increase appetite and energy works best. Yellow because it brings happiness and energy. Red stimulates appetite, and there is a reason why many restaurants are using red. White feels clean and fresh. So here is a tip. If you're trying to eat healthier or you are on a diet, avoid using red in the kitchen. Bedroom needs colors that help you relax and sleep, like blue. The best color for sleep and rest is definitely blue. Green, it's calming and connects to nature, so it's an amazing choice for bedroom. Or lavender, it's one of my favorite colors for bedroom because it's so gentle and soothing. Soft neutrals because create peaceful feeling. Home office need color that help you focus, like green. It reduces eye strain and promotes concentration. Blue helps you with calm focus and productivity. Or yellow, only in small amount, can spark creativity and add that extra energy to the office. I painted my own office a medium green and I found I can work for longer hours without getting tired or distracted. Now, what if you want to use more than one color? Here are some easy combinations that work well. Blue and white, clean, fresh, calm. Perfect for bathrooms and bedrooms. Or green and wood tones, natural and balanced. It's great literally for any room. Or earth tones, browns, tans, and soft greens create a natural grounded feeling. Remember, you don't need to paint all your walls. You can add color with one accent wall, furniture, pillows and throws, artwork, rugs, because it makes easier later to change the color of the room. So here are some fast tips to remember. Lighter color make rooms feel bigger, darker color makes room smaller but cozier, cool colors make rooms cooler, warm colors of course make rooms feel warmer. So if you're not sure, start with neutral walls and add color in small amount. And test paint colors always on your wall before doing the whole room because the color looks different in different lighting. Thank you for watching. I really hope you now understand how the colors in your home affect how you feel every day. This isn't just design, it's practical knowledge you can use right away. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you want to learn more, check out my website where I offer more in-depth courses on interior design. The link is in the description below. See you next time, and remember, the right colors don't just make your home look good, they make you feel good too.